Good morning, Yat Ebene, and welcome to Daybreak Warriors Navajo Word of the Day. Today's Navajo Word of the Day is similar to yesterday's. Yesterday's Navajo word was Dooda, which means no. Today's Navajo Word of the Day is T'ahdooda, which means not yet. T'ahdooda, T'ahdooda. You can use this word to respond to people who ask you a question in English like, have you done it yet? Then you can say, T'ahdooda, not yet. Have you gone to the store yet? T'ahdooda, not yet. Have you headed out to Gallup yet? T'ahdooda, not yet. For people who are more fluent in Navajo, they'll probably say a version like ahota, ahota, which is basically the same thing as T'ahdooda, but a little faster and with less syllables, ahota, which means not yet. Basically, you can use it like we did yesterday, but we're going to get to that in a second. If you want to say something like, I haven't made it yet. Remember, ashle, the Navajo word ashle means I am making it. So if you're saying I haven't made it yet, you can say t'ato ashleta. So you would stick the word ashle between the word dooda, just like you would for no, rather than saying do ashleta, I didn't make it. If you say t'ato ashleta, you're saying I haven't made it yet. T'ato ashleta. Remember, for these examples, keep in mind the Navajo sentence structure that I'm using for these examples. I'm not a trained linguist, but that's my way of breaking down how you make Navajo sentences. So again, object, action, verb. Object, action, verb. For example, if you're saying, I'm doing my homework, homework ashle, homework ashle. Homework being, I guess, object slash action, and then ashle being the verb, homework ashle, I'm doing my homework. If you're saying I haven't done my homework, you'll stick those in between the word. You'll stick ashle between the words dooda. I guess homework then is an object based on these examples. So to say I haven't done my homework, you would say homework t'ato ashleta. Homework t'ato ashleta. That means I haven't done my homework yet. Homework t'ato ashleta. That's if you're a student or something. Just like if you want to say I'm taking a shower, shower ashle. If you want to say I haven't taken a shower, t'ato shower ashleta. Again, shower is the action, and ashle being the verb in the Navajo sentence structure. So you have to stick that in between the words dooda. So to say I haven't taken a shower, t'ato shower ashleta. T'ato shower ashleta. I haven't taken a shower yet. If you want to say I haven't checked my email in Navajo, we'll take a step back. To say I'm checking my email, you say email check ashle. Email being the object, checking being the action, and ashle being the verb. Email check ashle. So if you want to say I haven't checked my email, you would stick the action and the verb between the words dooda. And then the object comes first, just like in previous examples. So you would say, email t'ato check ashleta. Email t'ato check ashleta. I haven't checked my email. If you want to say I haven't called him or her, remember, to say I'm calling him or I'm calling her, you say bich'ent call ashle. Bich'ent call ashle. So call being the action, and then ashle being the verb. So you would say t'ato bich'ent call ashleta. I haven't given him or her a call yet. T'ato bich'ent call ashleta. And if you want to be more specific and you want to stick in somebody's name like Bob, I haven't called Bob yet. Bob being the object comes before all that. So you say Bob, t'ato bich'ent call ashleta, or Bob t'ato bich'ent call ashleta. You can use a, you don't have to use a, and we mentioned that in previous examples. Like I said, with the word a, basically means him, her, it. But as you get to see the examples, you'll get the feel of how the word a works in Navajo sentences. Anyway, I haven't called Bob yet. Bob ate ato bitchin call ishleta. I haven't called Bob yet. Another thing, like if you want to say, like to use the example ba or na, ba meaning for him or her, na for you. If you want to say, I haven't volunteered for it yet. If you're saying, I'm volunteering for you, you say ba volunteer ashle. Ba volunteer ashle. Like if you're volunteering for like a church potluck, or if you're volunteering for some event at school, potluck ba volunteer ashle. So ba volunteer ashle, I'm volunteering for it. So if you want to say I haven't volunteered for it, you would have to stick the action and the verb in between the words Dooda. So the action being volunteering, the verb being ashle, so you would say T'ato ba volunteer ashleta. T'ato ba volunteer ashleta. I haven't volunteered for it yet. And if you want to be more specific, like I haven't volunteered for the car wash yet, car wash 8 ato ba volunteer ashleta. Car wash 8 ato ba volunteer ashleta. The object goes before all of that. Let's see what else. That's basically all the examples that I want to share with you. Again, you can use it to say a lot of things. Ato coffee ashleta. I haven't made coffee yet. Ato coffee ashleta. Remember, saying I'm making coffee is coffee ashle. And if you want to say I haven't made coffee, coffee t'ato ashleta. And that's how you use this word, t'atota. T'atota. I haven't yet. And again, I like to stick in bonuses. So the bonus for today is going to be the word is. Is. And you can have fun with this by sticking it in your English sentences, and you can say a little more. Basically it means what do you mean? Like for example, if somebody said, oh, I'm hungry, and you want to say, what do you mean you're hungry? You just ate. You would say, hungry is. You already ate. Is. It means, what do you mean? Like if somebody said, I'm cleaning the house, and then you knew that they were just on the internet, you'd be like, cleaning is. You were on the internet messing around all morning or something. Is means, what do you mean? Is. Like if somebody's like, hurry, hurry, hurry. And then you can be like, hurry is. Here you were just taking your time there telling me to hurry. Hurry is. That's how you use that word is. If you have any questions on these, send me an email. I'll try to clarify the best I can. Send me a message. Feel free to leave comments in the videos. I'm pretty sure if you have questions, other people do too. And don't be embarrassed about asking questions. It's always good to ask questions. And I hope you find these tutorials useful. And that's today's Navajo Word of the Day. T'atota. Not yet. T'atota. Have a nice day.